Welcome back to HowCar USA. Today we are taking a closer look at a car that represents pure style, pure power and pure luxury. The all-new 2025 Jaguar F-Type has officially arrived, and this machine is everything a modern sports car should be: elegant, fast and engineered to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. The moment you first see the 2025 F-Type, you understand why Jaguar calls it a timeless design. The long hood, the low stance and the aggressive curves make this car look fast even when it is standing still. Every line is sculpted for aerodynamics and every detail reflects classic British engineering. From the new LED headlights to the wide performance grille, this car demands attention instantly. But the beauty is not only on the outside. Step inside and you enter a world of luxury that feels handcrafted for the driver. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials, soft leather, brushed metal and modern digital displays. Everything is designed around the driver, from the sculpted sports seats to the clean cockpit layout that gives you total control and confidence. This is where Jaguar blends modern luxury with pure sports car spirit. Now let's talk about what makes the F-Type truly special: the performance. Jaguar offers multiple engine options, so you can choose exactly how much thrill you want. The turbocharged 4-cylinder is quick, responsive and efficient. The supercharged V6 gives you stronger power and a deeper emotional sound. But the real beast is the supercharged V8, an engine that delivers explosive performance, incredible acceleration and one of the best exhaust notes in the world. No matter which version you choose, the 2025 F-Type gives you power that feels clean, smooth and addictive every time you press the pedal. The handling is sharp, the steering feels precise and the car stays confident through every turn. Jaguar has tuned the suspension to give you the perfect balance between comfort and performance, so you can enjoy the track, the highway or the city with absolute control. Technology also plays a big role in the 2025 update. You get advanced connectivity features, upgraded infotainment and smart driver assistance systems that make driving easier, safer and more enjoyable. It is modern, intelligent and perfectly integrated into the overall luxury experience. Overall, the 2025 Jaguar F-Type is a masterpiece of design, performance and craftsmanship. This car is not just about going fast, it is about feeling connected to the road in a way that only a true sports car can deliver. It is stylish, powerful, emotional and built for people who love the art of driving. Thank you for watching HowCar USA. If you love luxury sports cars, powerful engines and premium automotive design, make sure to like the video, share your thoughts and subscribe for more detailed reviews and future car updates. The 2025 Jaguar F-Type is a modern icon, and it shows exactly why Jaguar remains one of the most exciting names in performance luxury.